What's that noise?
Salivating.
No, I think it's coming from outside.
Oh, let me see. Oh, it's a dreaded people from the phone playing ball.
What are people?
People? What are people? Bad news! That's what people are. Now, just think yourself lucky ducky that I'm going to save you from ever having to encounter them. Duck! Yes, I know it's a duck. Duck! Yes, I know it's a really duck!
Actually, I think I'm a mallard.
Duck! Yes! You're out of the foul ball. You broke the window! The ball's gone inside!
Oh no. They're coming in. Yeah, good idea. You hide there, and I'll try and find my way back to the duck yard. Maybe we can have lunch some other time. Now was it left at the cow shed and right at the hen house, or? No, I'm sure it was right at the cow shed. And, I think I'm lost.